So tell me, why do you think the chicken came first?
The chicken came first because it's the result of evolutionary changes over time. An egg laid by a bird that was not quite a chicken, but very close to it, hatched into what we recognize as the first true chicken. Hence, the first true chicken came from an egg laid by its almost chicken ancestor.
Interesting perspective. So, you believe the chicken came first because it's the result of evolutionary changes over time. And the first true chicken emerged from an egg laid by its almost chicken ancestor. While I see your point, I still think the egg came first because it doesn't necessarily have to be a chicken egg. It could have been laid by a bird that wasn't quite a chicken, but eventually gave rise to what we now recognize as a chicken. What are your thoughts on that?
I understand your perspective, but the crucial point is that the egg in question would need to contain a genetic mutation that led to the first true chicken. Without that mutation, the offspring inside the egg wouldn't be considered a chicken. So the egg must have come from a chicken, even if it wasn't exactly the chicken we know today. Therefore, the chicken came first.
That's a valid point. You're emphasizing the genetic mutation within the egg that led to the first true chicken. Without that mutation, the offspring inside the egg wouldn't be considered a chicken. So, you've argued that the egg must have come from a chicken, even if it wasn't exactly the chicken we know today, making the chicken come first. While I see your reasoning, I still believe the egg came first because the process of evolution involves gradual changes over time, and defining the exact point when a species transitions can be blurry. What are your thoughts on that aspect of evolutionary theory?
You make a valid point about the gradual nature of evolution and the blurry lines between species transitions. Evolution is indeed a complex process, and pinpointing the exact moment when one species transitions into another is challenging. However, in the case of the chicken and the egg, we're considering a genetic mutation that led to the first true chicken. While the transition may have been gradual, that genetic mutation is the defining factor in determining when a chicken emerged. Therefore, I still maintain that the chicken came first.
Your argument you emphasize the significance of the specific genetic mutation that led to the first true chicken, highlighting it as the defining factor in determining when a chicken truly emerged. While evolution is indeed a complex process with blurry lines between species transitions, you stress